Isn't it amazing how each morning you wake up, your body can feel totally different? I know that as I'm getting older, I'm finding a lot more mornings where the bod feels a little stiff. So I have a little gift for you. This 10-minute routine that is going to make you feel marvelous. You're going to get your spine moving in all directions. You're going to get your core engaged. You're going to align your body so that you're ready to start your day. You'll feel energized. You'll feel just a nice, serene calmness that will get you in the zone to make your day the best day ever. My name's Gretchen, your virtual Pilates instructor, and it's my goal to get you feeling good. So I want movement that empowers you, that energizes you, and that makes you feel like you're in control, because you are. Hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it to get notified whenever I have a new video, because I am here every week. So you ready to feel good? All right, let's get started. Lie down on your back. Get yourself centered and present and ready to start moving. We're going to start with some nice easy breaths. Inhaling in through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Allowing the air to warm up your body. Allowing your blood to start to circulate. Start to anchor the belly into the spine, engaging your core muscles to get ready to move. Every time you exhale, getting a little bit deeper into your abdominal muscles. Getting them ready. Inhale, you're going to reach your arms back behind you without letting the shoulders elevate to the ears. Allow the ribs to pop open. Allow your spine to just stretch. Feel as like you're being pulled like a rubber band in opposition. And then take the arms down by your sides. Bend your legs so that your feet are flat on your mat. Reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Engage your shoulders into their pockets, and then just reach the arms up to the ceiling on an inhale. Exhale, pull back. Feel the movement in the shoulders and how much mobility you have. Inhale, reach. Exhale, back. Reach back behind you now on an inhale. And exhale, bring it forward. Just bringing awareness to all the different directions your shoulders rotate. Start to relieving any stress you have after your sleep. And now let's circle the arms down into the sides. Full circles, 3 in each direction. Just getting all the kinks out, releasing any gunk or stress that might be holding into those shoulders. And then 3 in the other way. Inhale, exhale. For 2. Make sure you feel your abdominals help control the stability of your spine. Take your arms down by your sides. Pull your heels a little bit closer towards your seat so they're right underneath your knees. You're going to start to roll the pelvis. Inhale towards you. Exhale, release it back to neutral. Feeling your abdominals control the movement, so no feet or seat pushing into the movement. Now you're going to come up halfway. Really make the abdominals do the movement. Let go of the foot and seat. Inhale, scoop, squeeze. Exhale, down. I want you to start to roll it all the way up and notice how the seat has to help you here. And then roll it down. So we're just bringing awareness to your body. Inhale, roll, squeeze, tilt that pubic bone upward. And then roll through the spine on the way down. One more time. Push into the heels and the seat. Find that connection. And then reach the arms back behind you. And you're going to articulate down through the spine, feeling a little bit extra stretch. And then take the arms down. Roll it back up. You're going to stay there for a beat as you tilt your pubic bone deeper to the ceiling and then reach back and articulate. Make sure you're breathing here. Inhale it up. Exhale as you stay and engage, stretching the knees beyond the toes. Inhale, stretch the arms behind you. Exhale, articulate it down. And then take the arms down by your sides. You're going to take one leg up to tabletop on an inhale. Exhale as you release it down, feeling the stability, no pooching in the belly. And really use your opposite leg that's pressing into the mat to help stabilize you. Make your core muscles really engage as you march the legs. Hold this one leg at tabletop and then take the other to tabletop. Tap those toes now in an open chain. A little bit more abdominal connection. Really anchoring the belly into the spine, anchoring the shoulders into the mat. Make sure you're breathing. Squeeze the thighs together and take your arms a little bit more out to the sides. You're going to tilt the hips to one side on an inhale. Keep those thighs squeezing. And exhale, bring it to center. Inhale the other way. Let those hips move and the shoulders stay grounded. It's a really beautiful rotation in the spine, waking up all those vertebrae in a twisting motion. Upper body just stays stable and grounded. Make sure one knee isn't in front of the other. Really keep those legs sealed together. And then take one leg down and then the other. Bring your arms down and we're going to roll yourself up to a seated position. Come all the way up to a long spine. Your feet might need to go forward a little bit. And you're going to roll back on an inhale, a little half roll back here. And then exhale, dive your head towards your knees. Keep your waistband pulling into your spine. Inhale it back. Get that waistband to touch the mat. And then exhale, dive forward. Try to keep your heels down if you can. Maybe go down to the shoulder blades this time. And then scoop forward. This time we're going to roll all the way down. Drop your head and reach your arms back behind you. On your inhale, anchor the shoulders down, peel the spine off the mat as you dive forward. And then roll it back. Initiate by pulling the pelvis back and then roll it back. Inhale, pull the chin towards the belly button. Exhale, pull the belly back to dive forward. And try to roll back in the center of that spine. Let's do one more. Work with your breath, move with your breath. And then stay here, nice and tall, roll up. Scoot back a little bit and take your legs into a V, maybe a little bit wider than your mat. Pelvis is vertical. Take an inhale here, really lift out of the waist. And then exhale, just peel forward as you keep your pelvis still. Let's do two more. Inhale, lift tall in the spine. And then exhale, dive forward as you take the crown of your head to the floor. You're trying to pull your waistband back and keep your pelvis still. Pull all 10 toes towards your chest. Now take your arms out to the side. Let's do some twisting. Just rotating the spine from side to side without letting your legs or hips or pelvis move. Stay tall and keep the chest open. One more each side. Inhale, exhale. And then just release the arms down. You're going to take it to all fours now. So go to your hands and your knees. Get your hands right underneath your shoulders and the knees right underneath your hips with your feet flat down on the mat. We're going to start to just flex the spine. Try to pull the forehead and tailbone towards each other. Stay for an inhale. Then exhale, articulate from the tailbone to the head and reverse it into extension. Head and tail towards each other, belly stays engaged. Flex on an exhale. Try not to shift the weight forward or back. Stay centered on all 4 points. Stay for an inhale. And then exhale, articulate the other way. Open into extension as you inhale. Pull the tail and head towards each other. And then come to center one more time. Exhale as you flex. Waistband pulls up to the ceiling, head drops. Stay for an inhale and then exhale, move. Soften the elbows, open the chest. Come to center and then just push back into a little low back stretch here. Releasing the spine, stretching the arms forward and the hips back. Then I want you to take both arms to one side as you sit in the opposite hip. Feel that cross, feel that stretch in the side. Breathe. And then switch over to the other side, hips pull back, arms reach in opposition. And then come back to center and sitting in that low back stretch. Take your arms behind you and let the shoulders release over your knees. And let it go and breathe. Sit here as long as you'd like. Focusing on your day and starting your day with intention. Just breathing in and out. To have an amazing day.